Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Oriental chicken salad easy method. Start by cooking and cooling the chicken, then shred it finely. Next, assemble cabbage, carrots, green onions, and toasted almonds in a large bowl. Whisk soy sauce, rice vinegar, a touch of honey, and sesame oil into a dressing, then toss everything together and taste for seasoning before serving. Make the dressing first so flavors meld while you prep the salad. Whisk rice vinegar, soy sauce, honey, and a splash of sesame oil until combined and smooth. If you like heat, add a small pinch of red pepper flakes or a dash of sriracha to taste. Adjust sweetness or saltiness gradually, then refrigerate briefly to let the flavors marry before tossing with the salad ingredients. If this video is helping you out, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: on another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for cozy feet during long cooking sessions. I find they keep me comfortable while prepping and plating. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. When you assemble the salad, gently fold to avoid bruising delicate greens while ensuring even dressing coverage. Add toasted almonds or sliced almonds and sesame seeds for a satisfying crunch and nutty flavor. If you prefer extra texture, sprinkle crispy wonton strips just before serving so they stay crisp. Plate portions on chilled dishes and offer extra dressing on the side for people who want more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.